2011 R56 Manic Stage 2 on map 4, 100%. 2.5 cat back, or catless, 2.5 inch exhaust intake, intercooler. I have a large supercharger like Whine. Seems proportional to boost. When I turn the tune to stock, I don't get it. As I start turning up the map from 25, 50 to 100, the whine is more pronounced in each map. So this is a test to see what it sounds like. All right, here we go. 35 roll. That's in sport mode. Traction control off. Put down the window, maybe we can hear it better. As soon as we round this bend. All right, another 20 mile an hour roll. Here we go.